short one. As you can see, there's no snow. During Christmas, we had like 15 inches of snow. Now it's the New Year, and everything warmed up. It's like 50 degrees. All the snow's gone. So I had paddle tires I was going to use and have a good nice snow rip, but now everything's melted and wet and muddy and nasty. So I'm going to keep this short, but I do want to get it out, and I do want to see what it's like on this RTR setup out of a DBXLE. That's including the servo too, but that is actually a 5th scale servo, and you run it on a 8.4 volt, so it's halfway decent. And then Arrma 160, I geared this 30, and I think the stock is 47 tooth spur. And I think that's it. I got a rocket fan in there. Let's fire it up. All right, so anyway, I'm curious how this is going to perform. I got a few ideas of things that I can do, swap things around. I think if anything, I could throw 1-to-1 gearing in and get a max 5 for it, but I don't know yet. We'll see. See that wobble? Ugh. So that tire right there has a wicked flat spot. Because I think this one was sitting for a very long time in a warehouse. So hopefully that'll run in a little bit. Still trimming it. Yeah, still gotta trim it even more. Oh yeah. Okay. Wheelie ability, no problem. Whoa, too fast. Like that. All right, let's go up and down the street a little bit. Okay. Pretty mild, pretty mild. Plenty of torque. Yeah, very mild. I would like some more speed out of it. That's cool. That is super cool. I get a lot of questions about these ramps. These were discount.com ramps, and you can't buy them anymore. And I got a nice crack right here. So I don't know what I'm gonna do for plastic ramps. Because I like to have options with my ramps. Big ones, small ones. I've got 2 wooden ones that I've built, big and small. Just kind of depends on what I'm doing, where I'm going. First jump. So I'm kind of wondering if I dare do 1-to-1 gearing with the stock ESC. I've had a couple guys on comments on my first look video say they have, and they said it was all right. So I don't know. Thinking about it. I'm surprised with this servo. The servo is not bad. Oh. Oh, are you kidding me? The wheel came off. All right, so I didn't have these wheel nuts tightened down good enough, so that's 100% my mistake. And of course, I can't find the wheel nut. I went to go grab a set of DBXLE wheel nuts, and they're coarse thread, and these are fine thread. So it looks like I'm gonna have to get another set of wheel nuts on order. But let's go back at it. That kicks it off sideways. That's better. Boy, this body rattles a lot. I don't remember the Creighton body rattling that bad. Oh, that was kind of rough. Yeah, that's real rough. Now, doesn't have enough power for a backflip. That was the first roof lander. First roof lander. Oh, we don't have any turning now. We don't have any steering now. It's got no power to push it the other direction. Yeah, it won't. It will not turn it back. Oh, that's the end of that servo, right out the gate. And we already cracked this. Okay. All right, let me see if I can do one more jump. Here we go, last jump. Nice. All right, so that's my Outcast, first run. I'm gonna get a new servo and or some new wheel nuts, but hopefully next time when I get it out, I can get it out in the snow with the paddles. We'll see when it snows again. But for now, that's it. Quick run, first run. Loving it so far. Really gives some nice wheelies, and it's got a nice different feel than the Creighton. So we'll catch you guys next time.